Howdy, Tinker Nerds! Long have ye waited for another vigil. Long into the dusk, till day turns night ye wait. But alas, there be hope. I be sorry. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to post a video for the last couple weeks, but life is happening. My little Tinker Nerd just turned 1 last week, which was very exciting, and for his birthday, he got a virus. So I was out for a week with him until he got better. But other than that, my wife's also been ill. I've been working my full-time job, being a full-time parent, trying to make these YouTube videos. I've been asked to write a book, so that's cool. Oh, and also by the time you see this video, I'll probably be in the middle of a hurricane. So yeah, life. That's what's been going on. But I really appreciate your continued support, especially with the lack of videos the last couple of weeks. Now I'll leave you with the promise that more videos will be coming soon. Hopefully next week, depending on the amount of damage the hurricane inflicts upon us, but at least in the next couple weeks. If you have any ideas, you can submit or vote for your favorites at tinkernut.com/ideas. You can click here to watch more videos like this, and if you got any value out of my show and would like to give some value back, please feel free to donate at patreon.com/tinkernut.